What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am doing DoorDash for a couple hours today. I'm scheduled for 3 hours, but it might be more like 2.5 hours that I have available today, which is fine. Sometimes I can make about $20 an hour. Lately, I've been showing y'all my area lately. I've been getting so many bad orders, and a lot of you are saying that it's just the January slowdown and people are broke. Basically, people are broke. Inflation, recovering from Christmas, the holidays, like people are broke. I went grocery shopping. Bro, this is the first week that I just didn't buy eggs. I could not bring myself to purchase $10 for like a 12-pack of eggs. I could not. So we're gonna make some money so that I can start affording eggs. Not with this order though. $4 for 4 miles. I gotta decline that one. I'm also scheduled with Solo, which I'll leave more information down below so I don't have to keep like explaining it in every video. This is actually a good order at Chick-fil-A right here. It's only 2 miles. Let's go pick it up. Yes, for Chloe. It was already ready. Leave at my door. I'm just gonna leave this. And it came out to be $7. A little hidden tip action. I'm getting a $6.50 order, 2.7 miles at McDonald's for 6 items. That might go up, but it might not. We're gonna go pick it up. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? All right, this is the thing that popped up on my screen about drinks. Perfect timing. Leave at door, place on little table. Get those directions. Let's go deliver it. And I don't put the McDonald's bags in my hot bag. I mean, there's hot food, cold drinks in it. It doesn't make sense anyways. But they usually don't fit that good in the bag. And you can't zip it up anyway. So that's why I'm not putting this in the bag. I always put every order I can in the bag though. Don't come at me. Photo. Boom. All right, we got $6.50 for that order. It did not go up. I'm getting a $8.50, but it's 9 miles, so I'm gonna decline that one. Now I'm getting $8.50, but it's 7.2 miles, taking me to the middle of nowhere, so that's gonna be a round trip. That's another decline. I passed Chick-fil-A that I'm trying to get an order from, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm so starving. I've never had Chick-fil-A breakfast. But the part of me where I'm like supposed to fight that and be like, nah, I gotta save money, I'll be fine. I got some snacks. That part didn't kick in, and I turned into the drive-thru, and now I'm stuck in the drive-thru and I can't change my mind. All right, I'm actually getting an order here. The pickup time's in 8 minutes though, so we're fine. It's $6.50. 2.3 miles for 8 items, so that might go up. I'm going to accept it, and once I get out of the drive-thru, I'm gonna go pick it up. Thank you.
Are you doing a pickup?
Yes. For Kaylin.
Kaylin.
H.
Yeah. Can I see the order on your?
I got the message again about the drinks. It looks different than it does before. 2 drinks with this, and the food's going inside the hot bag. We are going to the same exact house I just dropped off the McDonald's to. The same house. Has that ever happened to you? That has happened to me, but it was like hours apart. This is literally, I was just here for the order.
The following instructions
They have
Leave at my door.
a Chick-fil-A order at their door. Oh my god, like it looks like the same items. This is weird. That is so weird. That came out to be $7, $4.50 tip. So that is the weirdest drop-off I have ever done so far. That was the same table, same house. I just dropped off. McDonald's too, not even 20 minutes ago. And now I get a Chick-fil-A order going there, and they already have Chick-fil-A sitting there. It actually looked like the same order. Either they're scamming the system and they know how to get a bunch of free food, or there's just a bunch of hungry people in there. We will never know. All right, McDonald's, $6.50 for 3 miles. Is that the same house? Let me see if that's... It's not the same house. It's very close. Wait. It is not the same house. It's very close to it though. $6.50, 5 items. I don't think that's gonna have a hidden tip on it. Let's go pick it up. Already ready? Let's see, $8. We got another order, $7.50, 2.9 miles. It only says 1 item, but that's already a great ratio no matter what it is. Keeping me in the area. Let's go pick it up.
This one, yes. This and the drink. Make sure straws in the bag. Straw in the bag.
Thank you.
Gotta go.
You too. Alrighty, and it came out to $7.50 with a $5 tip. All right, we got a McDonald's order. And it is not up there yet.
Picking up the DoorDash?
Yes.
Picking up DoorDash?
Yes.
More cheeseburgers? Right, and you get 9C4?
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's for the classic cheeseburger pack. And I didn't know what that was. I just seen a bunch of sauces. Leave a door gate code followed by call/talk. I am not going to call you. What you mean? I seen a bunch of different sauces and I'm like, did they only order sauce? Like that's kind of what it looked like. Cause I seen a scam before where like the scammer will order sauce. They'll order like 1 item and you know, they'll either call you, pretend like they're support, or they'll meet you in a sketchy place. Like when I seen the sauces, that's what I thought of. And I'm like, do I want to go get this order for a bunch of sauces? But apparently it's a bunch of cheeseburgers with a bunch of sauces. All right, I'm getting a order at Zaxby's again, right next to me, $6.50, 3.7 miles. Who are you? All right, you guys, it is at the 2.5 hour mark and I already ended my dash. I made $49 in about the 2.5 hours. Lately I've only been able to schedule 2 to 3 hours at a time. Either it's because of DoorDash not letting me schedule, or that's just what I have available for the day. So that's just what my DoorDash schedule has been, like 2 to 3 hours a day. But I'm really happy with my earnings today. I did decline a lot of bad orders, which I always do, and I only took the really good orders, which I always do, because that's how you make so much money per hour to make it worth it. My camera, my new camera that I had to buy the replacement, it is going to be here. I will have that. I will be using that in my next video. I know this quality is really bad, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. You weren't filming that whole time? Are you kidding me? But also, that's also why why do I keep saying also?